Hello YouTube and people of the IGTV. So welcome to the latest episode of Solar Bear 2020, brought to you in association with motovlog.com. So anyway guys, today's video is the second video, which is the letter O, which stands for overtime, which basically means if you usually film your videos in the daytime, you got to do it in the night time, or if you usually film at night time, you got to do it in the daytime. So yeah, as you can see, I am filming my video today in the night time. So I'm just riding through the city today, and basically what I'm trying to do is find a nice looking bridge, because today's challenge, as well as filming in the day or night, vice versa, you also have to find a nice bridge or an overpass, ride over it, then park up somewhere nearby and do the silly dance. So that's what I'm going to do today. And while we're on the way, I thought I would share with you a little quick and easy Japanese lesson. So today when I was at work, I was talking to a few of the ladies at work, asking them if they knew where there was a nice looking bridge. And basically, well, obviously everyone at my work is Japanese, so I asked in Japanese. So I said, kirei no hashi doko ni arimasu ka? So basically that just means do you know where there's a beautiful bridge? But here's the trouble with Japanese. The word hashi has three meanings. So it means bridge, it also means chopsticks, and it also means corner. So when I asked the lady, hey, do you know where there's a beautiful bridge? She opened her drawer and passed me a set of chopsticks. Because kirei means beautiful, but it can also mean clean. So she thought, as it was lunchtime when I was talking to her, she thought I wanted some chopsticks. But I didn't. So when I explained, I'm not talking about chopsticks, I'm talking about a bridge. She said, oh, right, yeah, you want to find a beautiful bridge? Yeah, there isn't any in this town. But I think that's bullshit, because I've seen some cool photographs on Facebook of like the view of the main station and some of the big tower buildings and stuff. So I've got a good idea. Obviously I can tell where it is from the angle of the picture, but exactly where it is I don't know. But I'm going to go and find it now. Right. Oh, great. Sorry. Okay. Right, I totally shouldn't be doing this. This is not a public footpath. Well, it is. It's a footpath. You're not supposed to take a freaking bike up here. In fact, oh no, you can. But this bridge has got a fantastic view. So fuck it. Alright, I'm going to stop, take a quick picture. Alright, as per the rules, find somewhere safe to park and then do the dance. That'll do.